Welcome to the land of ancient myths and rolling green hills. From the mystical ruins of ancient castles to the vibrant streets of Dublin, join us as we uncover the rich history, natural beauty, and warm hospitality that define the Emerald Isle. Dublin, a blend of history and modernity. Dublin, the capital city, is a vibrant blend of history and modernity. Trinity College, home to the famous Book of Kells, showcases Ireland's rich academic heritage. The Ha'penny Bridge, an iconic symbol of the city, spans the River Liffey, connecting historic and contemporary Dublin. Temple Bar, known for its lively pubs and cultural scene, is a hub of activity day and night. Visitors can also explore Dublin Castle, a historic fortress that has played a central role in Ireland's history. The city also boasts modern attractions like the Spire of Dublin and the vibrant Docklands area, making it a dynamic place to visit. Cliffs of Moher, majestic coastal beauty. The Cliffs of Moher, rising over 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, offer breathtaking views and dramatic landscapes. O'Brien's Tower, located at the highest point, provides a panoramic view of the rugged coastline and the Aran Islands. These cliffs are a prime spot for birdwatching, with puffins and other seabirds nesting on the rocky ledges. The Visitor Center offers insights into the natural and cultural history of the region, while nearby coastal trails provide spectacular hiking opportunities. Galway, the cultural heart of Ireland. Galway, known as the cultural heart of Ireland, is famous for its vibrant art scene and lively atmosphere. The city's colorful streets are filled with musicians, artists, and performers, creating a dynamic and welcoming environment. The Spanish Arch, a remnant of the city's medieval walls, stands as a testament to Galway's historical significance. Traditional Irish music sessions in local pubs offer an authentic experience of the region's rich musical heritage. Galway also hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, including the renowned Galway International Arts Festival and the Oyster Festival. Ring of Kerry, scenic landscapes and charming villages. The Ring of Kerry, a 179-kilometer scenic drive, showcases some of Ireland's most stunning landscapes. The route passes through charming villages, lush forests, and rugged coastlines. Muckross House, a 19th-century mansion, offers a glimpse into Ireland's aristocratic past, surrounded by beautiful gardens. Killarney National Park, with its serene lakes and majestic mountains, provides opportunities for hiking, boating, and wildlife spotting. The Skellig Islands, accessible by boat from the Ring of Kerry, are another highlight, offering dramatic sea views and historic monastic ruins. Cork, a city of heritage and innovation. Cork, Ireland's second-largest city, is known for its rich heritage and innovative spirit. The English Market, a bustling food market, offers a taste of local produce and delicacies. St. Finbarr's Cathedral, with its impressive Gothic architecture, stands as a symbol of Cork's religious history. University College Cork, a prestigious institution, contributes to the city's vibrant academic and cultural life. Cork is also known for its lively theatre scene, with venues like the Everyman and Cork Opera House hosting a variety of performances year-round. Belfast, History and Transformation. Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland, has transformed from a troubled past to a vibrant and modern city. The Titanic Quarter, home to the Titanic Belfast Museum, tells the story of the ill-fated ship built in the city's shipyards. The political murals scattered throughout Belfast reflect the city's complex history and cultural diversity. Belfast City Hall, an architectural masterpiece, serves as the focal point of the city centre. St. George's Market, one of the city's oldest attractions, offers a variety of local produce, crafts, and live music, showcasing Belfast's community spirit. Giant's Causeway. Nature's geological wonder. The Giant's Causeway is renowned for its unique basalt column formations created by ancient volcanic activity. The site's natural beauty and geological significance attract visitors from around the world. The coastal scenery adds to the dramatic landscape, with waves crashing against the hexagonal columns. The Visitor Center provides educational exhibits about the formation and history of the Giant's Causeway. Nearby, the Carrick-a-Reed Rope Bridge offers adventurous visitors the chance to cross a chasm and experience stunning coastal views. Kilkenny, medieval charm and crafts. Kilkenny, with its well-preserved medieval architecture, offers a glimpse into Ireland's past. Kilkenny Castle, overlooking the River Nore, is a stunning example of Norman architecture. St. Canice's Cathedral, with its round tower, provides panoramic views of the city. The Medieval Mile, a trail through the heart of Kilkenny, features historic buildings, shops, and artisan workshops showcasing traditional crafts. Kilkenny is also known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous festivals, including the Kilkenny Arts Festival, drawing visitors each year. Dingle Peninsula, rugged beauty and Gaelic culture. The Dingle Peninsula, with its rugged beauty and strong Gaelic culture, offers a unique Irish experience. Sliabh Head Drive, a scenic route along the peninsula, passes dramatic cliffs, sandy beaches, and ancient sites. Dingletown, known for its friendly atmosphere and vibrant music scene, is a great place to experience traditional Irish culture. The area is also a Gaeltacht region, where the Irish language is widely spoken. Dingle's local seafood, including the famous Dingle Bay oysters, is a culinary highlight not to be missed. Aran Islands, timeless traditions and natural beauty. The Aran Islands, located off the west coast, are renowned for their timeless traditions and natural beauty. The island's rugged landscapes, with limestone pavements and stone walls, create a stark yet beautiful environment. Dún Aongasa, a prehistoric fort on Inishmore, offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean from its clifftop location. The traditional thatched cottages and Gaelic-speaking communities provide a glimpse into Ireland's past and cultural heritage. The islands are also known for their hand-knit Aran sweaters, a unique local craft passed down through generations. We hope you've been inspired by Ireland's ancient allure and modern vibrancy. Remember to embrace the charm of every moment and continue exploring the world's treasures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, may the luck of the Irish be with you. Slán Leat.